Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shivam from here. About today we will see the how we can create a simple game using a Python code. Okay, I created already created a simple snake game using a Python. Okay, so today I would like to share you my project. Okay, the game snake game. Okay, so now we'll simply click on it. The Visual Studio Code. Okay, you know about Visual Studio Code. It is a software in which we can run the different types of languages coding. Okay, so this is our code. This is our code of our program, the snake game dot python. Okay, py file here you can see in your screen. Okay, so this is our file. So in this file you can see that here the statements, the statement import, the package are imported here. Okay, import turtle and import random, and different types of functions are created in this code, in this game's code. Okay, so here you can see that the different types of function. So I will maximize it. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, you can see that here the function definition is here. Okay, reset function. Then another one is a move snake, how the snake is move in our game. Okay, that's why this is the function which is work on it. Okay, so below you can see that here the define the collision is what, the different types of collisions, put collisions. So here is the different types of functions which we have used in this project. Okay, snake game. Okay, there are different types of functions are there are present in and you can see in your screen. Okay, so I will. Okay, so this is the code of our game. Okay, I will minimize it. You can see that here the it is a simple Python code which created a simple snake game. Okay, using Python. So for running this application, running this code for our game, so you can simply see your screen on the top right. Okay, the run button. Okay, so simply click on it. So our game is running and starting now. Okay, so you here you can see that the snake game. Okay, which is navigate by using our navigate button like arrow of your computer. Okay, so here is the simple snake game using our Python code. So if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is the simple game which is I like to share you. Okay, so you can see that also you can maximize it. So this is our game by using a simple Python code. So thanks for watching my dear friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.